Hello, this is a quick video to show you how to import an ExamView test that's been exported as in a Blackboard format into Blackboard as a survey. All right, so I'm assuming you're comfortable with creating the test in ExamView and exporting it as a Blackboard file. So when you get to Blackboard, we're going to go to the Course Tools under the Control Panel and choose Test, Surveys, and Pools. What we're going to do is import that ExamView file as a test and then create a survey from those questions in that test, okay? So we'll go to Test, and we'll import the test, which is that ExamView file, and submit. Once that file has been uploaded, you just click OK, and you can see it then in the test area. All right, now we go back to Test, Surveys, and Pools and go into the Surveys area. Okay, click Surveys. We're going to build a new survey. Course evaluation, and you can provide description and instructions. That's optional though. Click Submit. And now we're going to pull those questions from the test that you imported. Okay, find questions. And you may get a pop-up blocker announcement about this one, and just allow pop-ups for this instance, or allow the Black Hawk website as an allowable website. All right, so we're back to choosing our questions. So if you click the arrow next to test, it'll show that test. It'll show however many tests you have, but you just want to check mark the test that we're going to be using. I know that there are 12 questions in this test, so that is what's displayed here. If you're seeing more than what you expect to see, then if you had a list of tests showing, maybe another test has also been checked, or you want to check pools also. If you had any pools in the course, they might also be selected by default. All right, so just make sure the number you want is showing. And then because all 12 will fit on one page, if there were more than one page, it would say page 1 of however many. Okay, so I'm going to click this top checkbox to select all the questions at once. If you had 2 pages of questions that you needed, you would just go to page 2 and select those as well. But however many you selected is displayed at the bottom as well too. So if you have to go to another page, you'll see that you have the correct number after you've selected everything you want. All right, then click Submit, and that's just going to pull all your questions into the survey. All right, so one moment, and here we go. Total questions 12, so you've gotten everything that you need. All right, at the bottom you can just click OK. And this survey now just needs to be deployed in the content area. So again, I'm sure you're familiar, but just in case, I made a button specifically for this evaluation, this survey, and I'm just going to choose Assessment and Survey. That survey is listed in the existing surveys. I just click that and click Submit. And that's just going to bring me to the survey options page, just like the test options. And you can, make the survey available, yes, or change any of the other options that you want. Okay, and then just click Submit. And it's ready to go. All right, so again, from ExamView, create your test in ExamView, export it as a Blackboard format. The Blackboard 7 to 9, I think, is the option, the highest number anyway available. And that creates a zip file. You import the zip file into Blackboard under the tests area of Test, Surveys, and Pools. Then you'll go into the test area and pull the questions from that file that you just imported. Then you just need to deploy it and you're good to go. All right, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you. Bye.